i-unbox natin what's inside the eco bag. Look!
Look at this.
Jadan! Surprise me!
Nagkaroon mo kong English tuloy.
Okay kayo. Wait.
Ano na siya? Ano, Bibo?
Vivo Y17 is something. Yes. Oh, this one. Look, I have a new cell phone. Yes.
Abala, sa?
Ayun, sorry.
Black.
Ah, surprise me.
Surprise me. Uy, pataka lang.
Surprise me. Uy, mag-viral yan. Uy, ang akong surprise. Oh. Thank you. Thank you sa nagregalo for my birthday. Hindi ko sana tatanggapin to, pero salamat.